Hey, good morning everybody. It's Bill at Supreme Pressure Washing. Beautiful day today. My gosh, is it cold. May not be, the same for where you guys are, but down here it was a little under 50 degrees this morning, so it's pretty cold for us. Anyway, it's supposed to warm up a little bit later. Today on the agenda we have 2 house washes. House, driveway, sidewalk, and walkways. So anyway, it'll be a beautiful day, not a cloud in the sky, so we will see you at the job site. All right, so here we are at the job site. It's basically half a house. It's a duplex. So I'm going to walk you around and show you what we're cleaning here today. So in each building there is actually 2 houses. So we're cleaning from that garage over. This is all his house. Driveway. It's a painted driveway, so we'll just be soft washing that. And then the sidewalk and the street gutter down along this side. We'll see if we can move this debris out of the way. Still have a lot of that from the hurricane. And take you over here. Got the eaves up here. They're all pretty dirty. Got the gutter lines. Some of that will come up. You gotta see if they want to pay extra for the gutter brightening. You can see all that up along the side. Got all this on the siding. Down along this side. And then back along the back here up to, I guess we'll probably do it up to this side. I think that's part of his house, but I'll have to verify that. Actually, maybe not, but we'll have to see. Man, look at the neighbor. The neighbor's the one that should have hired us, but at any rate, so that's our project for today. We'll get moving.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up.
Okay, so we're all done here. Let's take it for a walkthrough and see how it came out. There's the sidewalk. You see the difference where we started and where the neighbors end it. Driveway. With these painted driveways, best we can do is soft wash them and blow them off, but it looks much brighter. Front of the house, all looking good. All that's come up. Let's look over the side. Yep. You can see the neighbors, almost like a before and after. And just walk around the back. All that came up really good. Yep, all the black is gone up there on the eaves. Rust stain. I don't know if you remember, there was a stain that went all the way down to the bottom. We got all of it except for the top. We'll spray it one more time before we go. But all the rust that was on here, same way. Let's see. We got a little bit more right there. We'll spray that before we go too. All right, there's the back. He didn't want to do the gutter brightening, so all the mold and algae are off of it, but still has some tiger striping up there. Not the way that I want to have it, but everybody's a little different. There's the neighbor's house, so you can kind of see right there a difference between one side and the other. But okay, at any rate, that wraps up this job, and we're on our way off to this second one.